How to see your YouTube Wrapped. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can check out your YouTube Wrapped or YouTube Recap. Now, if you want to check that, the first thing you want to make sure is you have a stable internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and data and make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. Next thing you want to do is update your YouTube app. For that, launch open the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for YouTube. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now launch open YouTube. Once you have launched it open, make sure to log into your account. Then head over to your profile. Now over here, scroll down and you should be able to find the YouTube Wrapped or Recap section. Tap to view it and you will find your full YouTube Wrapped recap over here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.